Okay. So in earlier class, we discussed the last topic of your third chapter. So today, write down one questions. What are the functions of self-help group? Okay, I dictate the answer and you note down this one. Okay, I will write on the board this question. What are the functions of self-help group? Written? All of you written the question? Can I dictate the answer? Give me response. Okay. Write down point number 1. Most of the decisions regarding the savings and loan activities, most of the decisions regarding savings and loan activities are taken by group members. Most of the decisions regarding savings and loan activities are taken by group members. This one is point number 1. After completing, give me response. Ma'am completed, ma'am done. Okay. I repeat the once again. Most of the decisions regarding savings and loan activities are taken by group members. Point number 2. The group decides as regards the loan to be, the group decides as regards the loan to be granted the purpose, amount, interest to be charged, repayment schedule, etc. The group decide as regards the loan to be granted, the purpose, amount, interest to be charged, repayment schedule, etc. So all these things I hope all of you can understand, because in the earlier class I discussing this one. Yes, Noreen? Yes, I will. Okay, write down. The group decides as regards the loan to be granted, the purpose, amount, interest to be charged, repayment schedule, etc. Done, students? Okay, thank you. Point number 3. Group responsible for the repayment of the loan. Group responsible for the repayment of the loan. So if any member of the group, they are not able to repay the loan, so this responsibility for the group, okay? So group responsible for repayment of the loan. Done? Okay, thank you. Next, point number 4. Any case of non-repayment of loans, any case of non-repayment of loans, comma, by any one member, is followed up, seriously by other members in the group. I repeat, any case of non-repayment of loan, any case of non-repayment of loan, comma, by any one member is followed up seriously by other member in the group. By any one member is followed up seriously by other members in the group. Done? Okay, thank you. Next one. Okay, Noreen, any case of non-repayment of loan by any one member is followed up seriously by other member in the group. Done, Noreen? Okay. Next point, the self-help group help borrowers. The self-help group help borrowers overcome the problem of collateral. The self-help groups help borrowers overcome the problem of collateral. Overcome the problem of collateral. I repeat, the self-help groups help borrowers overcome the problem of collateral. Done, all of you, or not? Okay. Write down the next point. They provide timely loans. They provide timely loans for a variety of purposes. They provide timely loans for a variety of purposes and at a reasonable interest rate. And at a reasonable interest rate. Okay, I repeat, they provide timely loans for a variety of purposes and at the reasonable interest rate. Completed, students? Okay, thank you. Write down the last point. The meeting the meetings of group provides a platform. The meetings of group provides a platform to discuss and act as health, nutrition and domestic violence, etc. I repeat, the meeting of groups provides a platform to discuss. The meeting of groups provides a platform to discuss and act on a variety of social issues such as health, nutrition and domestic violence, etc. Health, nutrition, domestic violence, etc. Done, all of you? Okay, thank you. Okay, now let's discuss the NCERT exercise. See the page number 52. Okay, so our first question is what? In situations with high risk, credit might create further problems for the borrower. Explain. So, in situations with high risk, credit might create further problems for the borrower. Full stop, explain. So, anyone tell me any one point of this question? Anyone? Just give me the answer within one sentence. If the person can pay the interest, then might fall in. Very good. Very good, Shatadeep. Okay. Write down the answer, all of you. From your exercise, question number 1. Write down, in situations with high risk, in situation with high risk, in situations with high risk, credit might create further problems for the borrower. The situation with high risk, credit might create further problems for the borrower. Done, all of you, up to this? After full stop, write down credit involves a certain amount of loan. Credit involves a certain amount of loan that is taken by a borrower. That is taken by a borrower from a lender. From a lender. Full stop. Okay. No, don't give the full stop. A certain amount of, okay, from borrow. Okay, I repeat this one. In situation with high risk, credit might create further problems for the borrower. Credit involves a certain amount of loan that is taken by borrower from a lender at a high interest rate. At a high interest rate. After then give the full stop. Full stop. After full stop, in case there is failure, in case there is failure and the borrower faces loss, and the borrower faces loss, comma, then he further falls in trap of credit. Then he further falls in trap of credit. Full stop. This is known as debt trap, that already told by Shatadip. The borrower faces loss, then he further falls in trap of credit. This is known as debt trap. After full stop, write down the borrowers has to pay the credit. The borrowers has to pay the trap of credit increasing the problems for the borrowers. The increasing the problems for the borrower, full stop. The borrower also has to sell a part of his or her land to repay the loan. Increasing the problem for the borrower also has to sell a part of his or her land to repay the loan. Done, all of you, or not? Okay, thank you. Next, question number 2. What is given in question number 2? How does money solve the problem of double coincidence of ones? Explain with an example of your own. So anyone tell me how money solve the problem of double coincidence of ones? Anyone within one sentence, how money can solve the problem of double coincidence of ones? Only Shatadeep give the answer. Where are other students in the class? You also try to give the answer. Yes. Yes, Shatadeep, very good. Act as a common medium for exchange. Okay. Now, write down the answer. What a person desires what a person desires to sell is exactly what a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. We know the barter system means what? Noreen, tell me the definition of the barter systems. Or what do you mean by the barter system? Tell me within one word, one sentence. Mutual exchange of goods. Very good, Noreen. Okay, so write down what a person desires to sell is exactly what other person wishes to buy. Such a case is known as double coincidence of ones. Full stop. In a barter system where goods are directly exchanged, in a barter system where goods are directly exchanged, full stop. In a barter system where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money. Without the use of money. What, okay, Shatadeep, what a person desires to sell is exactly what the other wishes to buy. Such a case is known as double coincidence of ones. Okay? Full stop. In a labor system, in a barter system, where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, comma, double coincidence of ones is an essential features. So double coincidence of ones is an essential features of the barter systems. Okay. Full stop. So in a barter system where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, double coincidence of one is an essential features. Full stop. Money solved the problems of double coincidence of ones. Money solved the problems of double coincidence of ones. Because after the introduction of money, because after the introduction of money as an intermediate, money solved the problem of double coincidence of ones because after the introduction of money, comma, people could use money as an intermediate to buy. Money solved the problem of double coincidence of ones because after the introduction of money, people could use money as an intermediate to buy or sell things. As an intermediate to buy or sell things. And no specific buyer or seller. And no specific buyer or seller. Because this one is the very large market. That means this is our economy. Okay. So there is no specific buyer and seller for interchanging your product. So you have money. So with your money you can buy the variety of the things. Clear? After full stop. Okay, up to this done all of you? Give response. Up to this done? Noreen. Okay. Yes ma'am, thank you Noreen. Okay. Now listen, you can give yourself the example of this. First give the example of double coincidence and what are the problem you face by this and how money solve this problem. You can, students? Okay, thank you Noreen. So tomorrow I will ask. Okay, tomorrow also we have the class. So for today we have no more time. So for today I will stop here. Okay students. So for today, thank you and bye. Yes.